For a group of n numbers a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 up till an, okay, the arithmetic mean, okay, is the sum of all the values divided by n, जिसको हम लोग average भी कहते हैं, okay, that is basically given by sum of all the terms divided by the number of terms. That is the arithmetic mean. Okay, when you multiply the numbers and take the nth root, you get the geometric mean. So geometric mean of these numbers will be square root nth root of a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 up till an. Okay, similarly, if you observe, for all these n numbers, okay, if you divide n by the reciprocals of all these numbers, you'll get the harmonic mean. Okay, now always remember, for any positive real numbers, okay, always the am is greater than gm is always greater than hm. The arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. You can take values and verify. I take only 1 and 9. Okay, for 1 and 9, the average will be 1 plus 9 divided by 2, which is 5, right? The geometric mean will be square root of 1 into 9, which is 3. Harmonic mean will be 2 upon 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 9. This is 18 divided by 10, right? Which will be 1.8. Okay. So AM is the greatest, arithmetic mean is the greatest, geometric mean is the second greatest, and the least is the harmonic mean. Okay. Now, when will the equality hold? When the numbers you take are all equal. Okay. You take all equal numbers, arithmetic mean will be the same number. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4 baar liya. Okay. So 3, 3, 3, 3 divided by 4. 4 3 is 12 upon 4. The average is again 3. Fourth root of 3 raised to 4 will be 3. And 4 divided by reciprocals of 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is again 3. Right? So remember, for a group of n real numbers, okay, positive real numbers, am greater than equal to gm is greater than equal to hm. Okay, we'll solve this question. We'll solve a few questions now based on this very underrated concept. Okay, let's see some questions. So if a, b, and c are positive real numbers, find the minimum value of a plus b plus c into 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. Okay, you can solve this question directly also by common sense. Okay, positive real numbers बोला है, distinct नहीं बोला है. Distinct means different नहीं बोला है. So substitute a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1. You will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 3 into 3 9. Okay, if you're not understood, no worries. Okay, let's apply the concept of am greater than equal to gm greater than equal to hm. Okay, now a plus b plus c summation of three numbers कहाँ पे आएगा? Arithmetic mean में आएगा. And reciprocals कहाँ पे आएगा? Harmonic mean में आएगा. So we don't actually need to consider gm in this case. We just use the arithmetic mean greater than equal to harmonic mean in this question. Okay, so the three numbers are a, b and c. उनका arithmetic mean कितना हो जाएगा? a plus b plus c the whole divided by 3. Similarly, इनका harmonic mean कितना हो जाएगा? 3 divided by 1 upon a divide plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. As we saw, the am is greater than equal to hm. Okay, so you cross multiply, you will have a plus b plus c multiplied by 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c is greater than equal to 3 3s are 9. इसका मतलब the product of these two terms is greater than or equal to 9. Hence, the minimum value is 9. As simple as that. If x, y, and z are positive real numbers and x plus y plus z is given as 15, find the maximum value of these three terms, right? X minus 3, y minus 1, z minus 2. Okay, in तीनों का product के form में दिया हुआ है expression. Product comes in the geometric mean, right? And also we have been given the sum of x, y, and z. Okay, sum कहाँ पे आता है? Arithmetic mean में आता है, right? So we will take three terms. The three terms will be x minus 3, y minus 1, and z minus 2. Okay, for these three terms, we'll first calculate the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean will be x minus 3 plus y minus 1 plus z minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, the arithmetic mean is given here. This should be greater than equal to the geometric mean. Geometric mean क्या हो जाएगा? Three terms are involved. So cube root of x minus 3 into y minus 1 into z minus 2. Okay, so now if you rearrange this expression, if you take x plus y plus z together, x plus y plus z, okay, इसको छोड़ के basically अब क्या बचेगा? minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 upon 3. But we know x plus y plus z is given as 15, right? So the left hand side basically is 15 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, which is 9. Okay, or 9 divided by 3. So the left hand side is 9 by 3, which is equal to 3, and it is greater than equal to cube root of x minus 3 into y minus 1 into z minus 2. When you cube both sides, you have your required answer. Okay, 3 cube is 27 is greater than equal to x minus 3 into y minus 1 into z minus 2. इसका मतलब ये जो प्रोडक्ट है, it is either less than or equal to 27, meaning the max value is 27.